Welcome to Grave Load. I'm Anthony, and I purchased the Ubiquiti's G3 Instant. Let's unbox it and maybe quickly set it up. I picked up the G3 Instant one. It's $30, so I figured that was a pretty good to maybe expand my cameras and security around the house. And I wanted to put this in the garage. I'm getting a few more things that I want to keep more eyes on, so this will be another set of eyes for me. So it's a pretty standard box. As you see, I still even have the plastic on it, and so I actually got this today also with a the G4 doorbell cover, which works well. So if you're looking at the doorbell covers, just a side note, it's actually a pretty good product from where my wife likes the color, so it's a bonus there. But here's what the box kind of looks like in the front. And then all it says is G3 Instant on one side, if it ever focuses. I guess it doesn't want to. You'll have to take my word. It says G3 Instant. Then it has Unify Protect. Oh, there, the camera decided today was the day it would finally work. G3 Instant. And so it just goes back and forth. And then on the back, right, it has your test date, and it shows serial number, model number, barcode. Has all that. It says it passed, so it should work, right? And all we have here then is that's it, and this is how it comes. Nice little small little camera. Now this guy is USB-C compatible, and that's how it's powered. It is Wi-Fi, so they actually don't have the specs of this. I believe it's 1080p Wi-Fi, and it uses wow, I'm just kind of shaking it here for a second because it's like it's just slightly bigger than an egg. It has two-way communication, so well, let's walk through it here. We got, this is your front, this is your top, and then it kind of goes, it's egg shaped, and then you have the back with its barcode and model number. You can kind of see the seam there. And then you have 5 volts at 1.5 amps as the USB-C, so decides to focus there. You can pause that, and you can see there's also a reset button on the bottom as well. So it's a small little camera, and we'll do the peel. The peel is not on the lens, it's on everything around it actually. You're not going to be able to see that. But here, let me throw this out. So let's look what else is in the box here. We have, that's just your casing. It has, there's this. Before I get to this part, let's look at these instructions. Yeah, it has 1, 2 there, instructions. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna mount this in my garage, but here is it's the Ubiquiti. I wish I would have just put a USB-C, just do USB-C to USB-C cable, and then that's the power brick. The different mounting items, so whatever this needs to be here. These must stick onto here, which then stick onto a wall or something. I'm going to hopefully drill mine directly to the wall. That's my plan. And then this just slides on and slides off. Okay, that works. What else we got in here? That's it, besides this cord. So then we have this cord. That's the rest of the box. We have this cord here. It's tightly wound. Oh, and we got screws that are dropping out. So there's screws there. I hope I have actually like some good wood screws to actually hold on. So it looks like, well, first let's, there we go. This is garbage. And then we have just over 6 feet of USB cord. So that's pretty cool. So you can, let's see here. So that snaps in and it's flush, actually quite tight, so you don't have to worry about it coming out, which is good. I like that. Ubiquiti there, that's good. And then it looks like there's this rubber grommet. Let's see, do I have, well, I just dropped that. That wasn't going to work anyways. It's not meant for my fingers to get out. I wish that it was a little bit easier. I just used a knife here. I have mounting hole in the back so it can actually mount to here, and that can screw in. So that's good that they did not think of this. I don't know if it's me or if it's the way, or if I'm doing something wrong, but Ubiquiti, it doesn't look like it's going to fit perfectly there, but, well, we got it. Why don't we power it on? I actually thought ahead, and so I put myself a little power cord here. We're going to add it to my camera setup. So this is the first power on. Let's see here, Unify Protect. It already found the new device. It's nearby. Oh, come on, camera. Just focus. All we want to do is see what it has. So there it is. G3 Instant. It's very near. G3 is booting, so you can hear what it is. Connecting to the camera. Locating Wi-Fi networks. Wi-Fi networks found. Wi-Fi password. Connecting to network. Yes, and it constantly does this. We get it, Ubiquiti. We're setting it up. You set up the doorbell, and let's say it fails one of these times while it's trying to connect. And it's just nonstop. It gets annoying. I get that there needs to be some type of setup sound, but does it have to be so loud? And repeat so fast? Establishing Wi-Fi connection. Well, it should. Error while adopting. Are you kidding me? Well, this is what I don't get about Ubiquiti, is the errors and just the annoyances. So I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get this to connect eventually. Because now it thinks it's off of Bluetooth, right? I'm right here, Ubiquiti. I'm not changing my settings. So maybe I'll have to reset this. But that was an unboxing of this little camera. I was really hoping to have the whole thing, but it's just still connecting to camera. Next. Yeah, and now I have to go through. I have to add the camera. So to my home, it's checked. Set up devices. G3 Instant. Air while adopting. Wow, that's Ubiquiti for you. Make sure it doesn't work on the right first try. That's Ubiquiti for you. And before somebody says, "Well, you're doing it wrong," this happened with their G4 as well that I had replaced. It worked a lot better in a couple versions ago. I think I'm on uh, 119. At least I think I'm on the beta, um, testing that out. But I will have to reset this now, and I don't know where I have my a little paper clip here to reset it. Maybe we'll try it. We'll see if it works here. Okay, so then it goes to flashing when you reset. So maybe it'll start back up. But I won't go on and show you this again, and maybe it fails again. Eventually it works. Happens with my other one as well, but that's the unboxing of this. That's how it's supposed to be set up. And until next time, let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comments below. I'll be sure to get to those as well. And until next time, God bless, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.